Today we'll be installing MaxLite's 150 watt MPulse Area Light using the pole mount to upgrade the lighting in an office parking lot. This will provide a higher quality of light as well as energy savings compared to the 320 watt Pulse Start metal halide shoebox fixture that had previously been installed. Let's begin. We'll start by turning off the electrical power at the fuse or circuit breaker box. Next, we'll remove the original Pulse Start metal halide shoebox fixture along with its pole mount. Now we'll refer to the drilling pattern located in the instruction manual and drill the holes needed to attach the pole mount to the pole. Next, place the gasket against the pole, making sure to line it up with the drilled holes. Now we'll attach the mount to the pole using the included hex head bolts. Make sure the mount is securely attached to the pole before continuing. Feed the wires from the MPulse fixture through the mount and grab them from the inside the pole. Now we'll secure the MPulse fixture to the pole mount using the included hex head bolts. Now we can make our wiring connections according to the diagram located in the instruction manual. After wiring, we'll add our photocell and tuck all the wires inside the pole. Finish up by reattaching the pole cover. That's it. Our new MPulse Area Light fixture with photocell is installed and will turn on automatically every evening when it gets dark. For more details, see the video description below. Thanks for watching.